In this example, I will calculate the value of the actual amount. If 60% of the amount is $230, then find the value of the actual amount. This is the 60% of total amount value. I will calculate the actual amount by using unitary method. So what is unitary method? First divide the 60% of total amount by 60. Then multiply by 100 with answer of that value. You will have actual amount. Active cell reference C8. First I calculate the 1% of total amount. Enter equal sign. Divide 60 by $230. The answer will be equal to 1% of total amount. I will divide this number 60 to $230. The remaining number is 1 in this cell. That is the reason I have written 1% of total amount in this cell. Click this cell reference. Enter division operator. Type 60. Press enter key. Excel returns 1% of total amount is equal to $3.83 by dividing 60 to $230. You can increase or decrease the decimal places of this value by using these two buttons. This is the 1% of total amount. To calculate 100% of total amount, active this cell reference. That amount will be called actual amount. Enter equal sign. Multiply 1% of total amount by 100. You will have actual amount. Click this cell reference. Enter multiplication operator. Type 100. Press enter key. Again active this cell. Decrease the decimal places of that value. Decrease decimal places up to 0. You have 100% of total amount value. This amount is called actual amount. 60% of total amount is $230 and 100% of total amount is $383. To check this amount whether it is correct or not, again calculate the 60% of that amount. Active this cell. Enter equal sign. Click cell reference C9. Enter multiplication operator. Type 60%. Press enter key. Again active this cell. Decrease the decimal places of that value up to 0. As these results are same, so calculated value of actual amount is correct. When will you calculate the value of actual amount? First calculate the 1% of total amount and then calculate the 100% of total amount. 100% of total amount will be called actual amount.